Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing the official Xbox app and signing in. This links your profile and game library. Once done, make sure your iPad runs iOS 14 or later, and both devices are on the same 5 GHz Wi-Fi for low latency. If you have an Xbox controller, pair it through settings Bluetooth so it's ready. You're doing these first steps to reduce lag and authenticate your account. That way remote features and cloud streaming will work smoothly. Next, you'll decide between streaming from your console or using Xbox Cloud Gaming. Open the Xbox app and select either console streaming or cloud gaming. Pick cloud if you want instant play without the console. If streaming from your console, enable remote features on the console under Settings Devices and Streaming so it accepts connections. Then tap play on a listed game or cloud tile and connect your paired controller. This gives you full controls and explains why network choice matters. To finish setup, optimize stream quality in the Xbox app and prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or a wired router to reduce jitter and packet loss. If your controller drops, toggle Bluetooth and repair it, or use a USB-C cable for reliable input. These steps quickly restore play. If you see persistent lag, close background apps on the iPad, reboot your router, and try switching to Xbox Cloud Gaming, which can be more stable. That single troubleshooting tip often fixes most streaming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.